If you're searching for a crypto exchange that combines powerful features, high-level security, and generous rewards, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing Bitget, one of the fastest-growing crypto exchanges, and explaining how to use the referral code VUGP2 to unlock welcome bonuses worth up to $6,200. Stick around to learn what Bitget offers, what makes it different, and how you can maximize your rewards when signing up. Part 1. What is Bitget? Bitget is a global cryptocurrency exchange trusted by millions of traders worldwide. It provides a full trading ecosystem, including spot trading, futures trading, copy trading, and passive income products. The exchange is well known for its focus on copy trading, where beginners can follow and automatically replicate the strategies of top professional traders. Bitget's platform is intuitive yet powerful, offering advanced charting tools, deep liquidity, and fast trade execution. Security is a major strength. Bitget uses cold wallet storage, strict KYC verification, and a protection fund to safeguard user assets. With a consistent track record of transparency and user protection, Bitget has built strong credibility among crypto investors. Part 2. Trading features and ecosystem. Bitget isn't just another trading platform, it's an entire crypto ecosystem. You can trade spot pairs, speculate on futures contracts, or join the copy trading marketplace, where thousands of pro traders share their performance openly. The Earn section lets you stake or invest your crypto to earn passive income, while the Launchpad feature gives you early access to promising new tokens. Trading fees on Bitget are very competitive. Holding Bitget's native token, BGB, allows you to get additional discounts on every trade. Deposits and withdrawals are quick and support a wide range of payment methods depending on your region. This combination of professional-grade tools and ease of use makes Bitget suitable for both new and advanced traders. Now, let's talk about how you can get free bonuses by signing up. When you register using the referral code VUGP, Bitget rewards you with a welcome bonus of up to $6,200. The bonus comes in several parts: trading coupons, futures credits, and deposit rewards. To qualify, you'll need to complete KYC verification, make an initial deposit, and execute your first trades. The reward structure may vary by region, but the potential benefits are significant. The referral code VUGP can also unlock cashback on trading fees and other periodic promotions, depending on Bitget's campaigns. In short, using VUGP when you sign up ensures you don't miss out on any available bonuses or rebates. Let's take a balanced look at Bitget's strengths and weaknesses. Pros: competitive fees and deep liquidity, wide range of coins and trading pairs, excellent copy trading system for beginners, welcome bonus and cashback through referral code VUGP, high-level security, transparency, and strong global presence. Cons: the bonus system can be complex for first-time users. Some advanced features require full KYC verification. The number of trading options can feel overwhelming to new traders. Even so, Bitget's overall package of security, rewards, and functionality makes it one of the top choices in the crypto trading space. Here's how to sign up and get your rewards step by step. Go to Bitget's official website through the link in the video description. Click Sign Up and enter your basic information. Type in the referral code VUGP during registration. Complete the KYC process to unlock full account access. Make your first deposit and start trading to activate your welcome bonus, up to $6,200 in rewards. Bonuses are typically credited in phases as you meet trading milestones. Your cashback or fee discounts will automatically apply once your account is verified and active. Bitget offers an impressive mix of reliability, innovation, and incentives. Its focus on copy trading makes it a great entry point for newcomers, while advanced tools and low fees attract professional traders. By using the referral code VUGP, you can claim your welcome bonus up to $6,200 and enjoy cashback on trading fees, giving you a real edge as you begin. Just remember, cryptocurrency trading carries risks. Always research, manage your exposure, and never trade with money you can't afford to lose. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe for more crypto insights, and share it with a friend who's looking for a solid trading platform. Stay informed, trade smart, and see you in the next video.